Hello everyone, it's time for another video for collective worship. So let's prepare ourselves by sitting nice and still, quietly, and lighting this candle. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Today I'm standing by one of the statues in church. This is a statue of our patron saint, St. Thomas, who our church and our school is named after. And this coming weekend, we are celebrating St. Thomas's Day. So who was St. Thomas? Well, Thomas was one of the 12 disciples, one of the apostles that followed Jesus in the very early days of his ministry on earth. And Thomas was there for all the major events. He was there when Jesus calmed the storm. He was there when he walked on water. But Thomas was missing after Jesus came back from the dead. He wasn't with the other disciples. He was somewhere else. We don't know where he was. But when he came back and Jesus had gone, the disciples told him that they had seen Jesus, that he had been with them, in the room with them, that they'd spoken to him. And Thomas said, "I don't believe you. Unless I see him myself with my own eyes, unless I can touch him, touch the hands where the nails went, then I'm not going to be able to believe that Jesus is really back from the dead and that he was with you." So some more days go by, and this time Thomas is with the disciples when Jesus appears to them. They're hiding because of all of the unrest that's happening following Jesus' death. And they're locked away in a room. And Jesus appears in the room in the middle of them, even though the doors are locked. And this time Thomas is there. And Jesus looks directly at him. And he said, "Thomas, look at my hands. Look where the nails went through. Look at the side. Look at the wound in my side where they pierced me with the spear while I was on the cross. Touch them if you need to." But Thomas didn't need to. He had seen Jesus face to face. He didn't need to reach out and touch him because he believed. And Thomas declared very simply, "My Lord and my God. My Lord and my God." So sometimes Thomas is known as Doubting Thomas because he doubted that Jesus was back until he had seen him himself. But we should remember Thomas's bold declaration, "My Lord and my God." He was convinced of Jesus' return. So this coming Sunday, we celebrate our patronal festival, the day when we celebrate our patron saint. And on Sunday at church at 11 a.m, there is a big service with the bishop coming. And afterwards we have a barbecue and a party with cakes and sweets and all sorts of things. So if you are around on Sunday and you would like to come, you would be very welcome to come and celebrate our patron saint of our church and our school at 11 a.m. on Sunday. Let's finish by praying. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. May the Lord God bless you and keep you this day forth and forevermore, in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. See you very soon.